Hey folks, Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center welcomes you. Today we're going to talk about understand your reason for starting a business. Why do you want to do that? Understanding your reasons is crucial when contemplating starting your business. Here is a concise yet valuable guide to assist you in this process. Keep your dedication alive. Embarking on a business venture is a journey brimming with moments. Stay true to your goals. Be prepared to invest the effort. When on the move, stay flexible. Learn from your errors and cherish your triumphs. The thrills and satisfaction of commencing your voyage are unparalleled. To thrive as a business owner, understand what motivates you and follow these suggestions faithfully. Take the plunge now. Pursue your dreams. And yes, folks, check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. And of course, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thank you for watching.